everybody, welcome to Japanese Cooking Lovers. I am Yuri. Today I will show you how to make karepan, which is curry bread. Curry bread is very popular food and in the bakery. Probably every bakery in Japan, it's easy to find curry bread. That much popular. And this is not baked bread, it's a deep fry or the fry bread. And if you had a Japanese curry before, you may understand that the curry and katsu, which is deep fry pork, is very good together. So this is like without rice but bread and no katsu, which is the pork part, but it's a fry. So it's almost like a very good easy eating curry itself. This is the size that I used today. I recommend Yukon or red potato for curry recipe. And cut small dice. I leave in this water, take out the starch. I didn't peel carrots because it's organic. Cut dice again, same size as potato. I used 2 cubes here, but if you need it more, put it more. You need thick curry, not watery curry. I used bread machine this time. making each ball smooth, round ball. pulling outside and make it smooth ball like this. When you wrap this, try to take the air out, and you should seal tight. And when you seal, try not to put the curry in between, because if you do so, when you deep fry, it may break. And you put tight down bottom. I hope you enjoy my video today, and if you like my YouTube, please thumbs up and also subscribe my YouTube channel. This is Japanese Cooking Lovers. I am Yuri. Thanks for watching and see you next time soon.